aren't you?
Bạn là người thích sống về đêm phải không?
You are a night owl, aren't you?
Bạn là người thích sống về đêm phải không?
Where were you this morning between 10 and noon?
Asleep in bed? I'm a night owl. Can anyone confirm that? Your new boyfriend, perhaps? I was alone.
I'm an early bird and I'm a night owl, so I'm wise and I have worms.
I don't like the people here. Do you know what time it is?
Come on, I thought you were a night owl.
These unsubs are night owls, stalking and killing other night owls.
Why was she sleeping? Who can sleep in a hospital during the daytime? I'm not surprised. She's tired. She's always been a night owl. Just by treating her, we've completely disrupted her schedule. Is that what her blog says? She's a night owl. No, she told me.
First things first, I am from Transylvania, but I am not a vampire. I'm just a night owl with a terrible garlic allergy.
Special Agent Graham. Was an unexpected pleasure.
I'm sorry to bother you again, Dr. Lecter. I know it's very late.
There's no bother. We're both night owls, I think. Come in, please.
You are an early bird, aren't you?
Bạn là người luôn thích làm những gì sớm hơn người khác, phải không?
You are an early bird, aren't you?
Bạn là người luôn thích làm những gì sớm hơn người khác, phải không?
Hey there, you've reached Walt, Skylar, and Walter Jr. We can't come to the phone right now, so please leave us a message.
Well, aren't you the early bird up and out already?
Hey, let's get to the table before David gets here. My mother loves an early bird.
Someone's an early bird?
Yes, I've been awake since dawn.
There's the worm. It's right there. Who's going to be the early bird? Why not us?
Rise and shine, early birds. Gossip Girl here.
I thought I was an early bird.
Yes, I'm the one who wants to catch the worm. Coffee?
Of course, he said he just wanted to drive the car some more. That seem odd to you? No, I'm an early bird, but Jason had this incredible energy.
Need any help?
We have to be there by 7 to set up.
No problem. Jerry is an early bird.
You are a worrywart, aren't you?
Bạn là người thường lo lắng thái quá, phải không?
You are a worrywart, aren't you?
Bạn là người thường lo lắng thái quá, phải không?
Everything okay?
What are you thinking? Telling Uncle Worrywart that I'm depressed.
Maybe Katara was right. These scams are drawing too much attention to us.
Don't be such a worrywart like your sister. Think of it this way. Now you have plenty of money to help with the invasion plan.
What's going on here?
You got us. We're baby-proofing the apartment.
You know Jane's such a worrywart.
What's that on your head?
It's just that Clark's such a worrywart. He thinks I'm always putting myself in danger.
This is wonderful, Smithers. For once in my life, something's going my way.
I'm not so sure.
Oh, another visit from Mr. Worrywart.
Uh-huh. Okay, so maybe you could... Okay, you too. All right, bye-bye. He's such a, worrywart.
You just seem a little scattered lately. Have you noticed that?
There's my little worrywart.
You are a know-it-all, aren't you?
Bạn là người cái gì bạn cũng biết hết sao?
You are a know-it-all, aren't you?
Bạn là người cái gì bạn cũng biết hết sao?
We don't need Howard's cousin. We have me.
You're not a lawyer, Sheldon. You're just a know-it-all.
I am not a know-it-all. I'm a person who knows lots of things and likes to correct other people when they're wrong.
That's the definition of being a know-it-all.
Those are map coordinates. Got him. Let's go.
Do you want to know how I figured it out?
No one likes a know-it-all, Penny. Anyway, if you could just give us our money back, you can have your helium and we'll be on our way.
Yeah, well, is there something wrong with it? No, nothing. We just changed our mind.
He has glasses and I'm a know-it-all. We are not built for prison. Yeah, Priya, do you know why this is called a toast?
Actually, I do. I believe the Romans used to put spiced toast in their punch bowls.
She's also a bit of a know-it-all.
The one thing a know-it-all doesn't know is that everyone hates a know-it-all.
You are a cheapskate, aren't you?
Bạn là người trùm sò làm biếng xài tiền, phải không?
You are a cheapskate, aren't you?
Bạn là người trùm sò làm biếng xài tiền, phải không?
It's only $495!
$495 for that? That's crazy.
For that kind of money, you should throw in $495.
Don't be a cheapskate, Bob.
So then President Steve told everyone I was a cheapskate, and now the whole building hates me. You know, a little kid spit on my knee.
What are you doing? Stan, just get the prostate surgery, you cheapskate. Oh, I'm trying to wear out this chair.
So Bobby wants me to spend $100 on some idiotic jeans that already look 20 years old. Are kids today so lazy they can't break in a pair of pants?
Don't be such a cheapskate, hey, Hill. You love money more than power and respect. You're a skinflint, Mr. Carbone. A cheapskate.
You are a go-getter, aren't you?
Bạn là người lạc quan, tràn đầy nhiệt huyết, phải không?
You are a go-getter, aren't you?
Bạn là người lạc quan, tràn đầy nhiệt huyết, phải không?
Hey, just hear me out. I just want to know what it is you want. That's my job. I'm a go-getter. You ask me for something and then
Deliver Walter Panage to where you're standing.
Good morning, family.
My, who's this go-getter?
Thank you, computer man. I'm told my father was particularly proud of the IT department, run by a dynamic go-getter, a genius, and a man from Ireland.
I know this looks horrible, but I'm not a cheater. I'm just faking being married so your dad will consider me for a job.
So you're a liar.
I'd probably go with creative go-getter.
It'll be so much more gratifying if you earn that PlayStation yourself. Oh, this is the worst. There's my little go-getter.
So I'll go get you guys some more water, and your food should be out in just a few minutes.
Thanks so much, pal. We appreciate it.
He seems like a real go-getter.
Oh, because he goes and gets things.